the way to the Ferris wheel! Woo! Ferris wheel! Oh my gosh, every time I see a Ferris wheel, it reminds me of The Notebook. You know when he hangs and risks his life? So we're on the Ferris wheel and it's really exciting. Oh, we're moving finally! Shoot, I don't want to like drop.
Like everybody to get off.
Don't want to lose my wallet or my phone. Let's spy on these people. Like no one understands how amazing this is. Best day of my life.
It's like so spontaneous.
I know, like we're just driving along and we randomly see a Ferris wheel and we're like, oh my
So
gosh.
much more exciting than like planning to come here.
I know, seriously, like it's so much better to just be driving on this road in like boring Virginia with nothing to do and see this. We're at the top of the Ferris wheel. Dulles Town Center. I see Cheesecake Factory. Oh, we're going down now. I think we're just gonna be cruising now because it's really bright. Going up. I don't really feel safe for some reason because I'm kind of scared of like carnival rides because I don't feel secure. Like I don't know. Because I don't trust things that are on like wheels, you know. Not really like secure enough. They're gonna be famous. They're like, we're gonna be on YouTube. Yes. Well, they actually are gonna be on YouTube if they look this up. What does that say? I can't read it. So, going down. This is so relaxing. Are we gonna stop soon? I hope not. Because I could just ride on this thing all day. It's really relaxing. Yeah, same footage. That's why you have to like have a conversation with your camera. I feel like spying on people because I'm a creeper. Hello. I seriously feel like we're in The Notebook right now. Like what's his face is gonna like jump out and be like, come out with me. Seriously, where is he? Where's Noah? Ryan Gosling. Where is he? He's gotta be here. We should find him. Oh, someone needs to hook me up with some funnel cake. This is kind of scary though because I'm waiting for some evil clown to like jump out from somewhere. Yeah! Like, I hate clowns and this is like a clown kind of place.
You're a bird and I'm a bird.
If you're a bird, I'm a bird. That's so cheesy, but it's so cute. The whole movie is like,
Do it. We're both birds together.
You're a bird, I'm a bird. No, doesn't he say that? Does she say that or does she say it?
He says
that. He's like, you're a bird, I'm a bird.